Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now, if you haven't seen my review of this is a 2021 Acura RDX in the A Spec trim, which I think looks fantastic. And in this video, we're gonna go for a drive. I got my dad with me. This is my dad's car. So let's start it up and we'll go for a drive. All right, here we go. All right, so I mentioned to my dad, I am appeasing my commenters who say, "Oh, don't show your face, show the car." This is my favorite stretch of road close to my house. This is just the road behind my neighborhood. So this is what it looks like to drive the RDX, and we're not going to go on her like crazy, but this road just has elevation changes and a little bit of twisties that you can sort of get an idea of what it is like to drive this car. So this is obviously a family SUV, but I would say it's more on the sportier side. And I mentioned in my other video, you can compare this to the Germans, but I would definitely take this over a Mercedes. Now, obviously, I bought an Audi, so I would prefer that over this, but there is absolutely nothing wrong with this Acura. I think it would be more reliable than the Germans and cheaper than the Germans, and a Volvo especially. They got a stop sign there. So we have 2-liter turbo power. We're just going to test it out just a little bit. Now I think I am in comfort drive mode as well. So once I get out on Lisburn, I will put it into sport. Yeah, this turn is especially nice. Just a nice little sweeper left to right. So I also mentioned in the other video, I am definitely impressed with this car. I think it has satisfied me as much as I thought it was. I knew it would be a nice car, but my dad and I are both suckers for red, and I think this color is called Performance Red, right? Performance Red Pearl. Nice little elevation change there. Yeah, this is a beautiful stretch of road, but yeah, this is not going to handle like a 911, but it definitely feels nice. There's a tenth of a second of like turbo lag that you could sort of feel, but it's not noticeable at all. Still feels nice. So can you put me in sport mode? Pops is gonna put me into sport mode. We're gonna just give her the beans a little bit here.
Sport Plus.
Sport Plus, what the hell? All right, here we go in Sport Plus of the RDX. Okay, let's. Ooh, that feels nice. All right, we're not gonna go too crazy. That sounds pretty decent. Now, my dad he's sitting right next to me, and I'm gonna say this anyway. He is obsessed with quietness in the car, and he's done an extra little padding everywhere. But that sounds pretty good. Let's just listen. I mean, that sounds pretty good. That definitely holds onto the gear very nicely. I mean, that's like 4,000 right there. Okay, one more last little punch going around that turn, and we're gonna go up the hill a little bit. All right, let's catch up to this guy. Yeah, that's nice. And look at that hold on to the gear. I mean, obviously you don't want that for everyday driving. That'll sort of kill your gas mileage, but this is a peppy little fun little SUV. All right, you can go back. Or go into sport or comfort, either's fine. Yeah, so now we're in sport mode, and I said in the other video, I like how they do the graphics when you change the drive mode. And we do have these normal safety features that, any car in the 2020s will have. You have your lane keep assist, your radar cruise control, and these seats are very comfortable. So the steering wheel feels nice in your hand. You do have the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. I'm not really going to try them out just because, don't really need to. Just trying to be safe with the one camera in my hand and my one hand on the wheel. But yeah, this is a cool little peppy little fun sport SUV. Perfectly fits my mom and dad's needs. Well, my dad drives this mostly to put his bikes in the back. You need a little bit more space for your stuff. But I think this would be a fun family SUV that, is not going to break the bank as much as the Germans, but you still get the, Honda Acura reliability. And I think this looks fantastic. I will say, my parents used to own the previous generation RDX, which was a good looking car, but this car in this newer generation really is a definite step further. I mean, it's a vast improvement. And that car was, I'm not going to say anything bad about that one, but this car looks, the design language is completely different, you know, more falling in line with the MDX, the bigger SUV. But I think it is an attractive car, especially in this A-Spec trim and this red, performance red pearl. So we're going to get on the highway up above here and we'll keep driving. Let's give her the beans one more time. Ooh, there's a bunch of Broncos on that collar there. Alright. We're going to see what this thing is like to get on the highway. But I think we're back into sport mode. I'm not going to absolutely mash it. We're going to give her little beans. There's a Hyundai ahead of me. Yeah, now I know my dad has taken a couple trips on the highway, and this is a comfortable, you know, competent highway cruiser, which can definitely swallow up the miles. And I know I say this almost every time, but lots of these cars I review would be, you know, perfectly fine to chew up the miles on the highway. This car I think is super comfortable. The seats are nice. You know, the outward visibility is decent. You can see out of your mirrors pretty well. Yeah, this is a solid car that I think could be a perfectly fine for a smaller family like mine, or someone like my dad who uses it to, you know, transport bigger stuff and put his bikes around. Yeah, this is perfectly smooth. Yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this car. I really like the overall package. I think the design works very well. I'm gonna get my thumbnail right there. Yeah, this Acura is really impressing me. Here, let's see if I can catch up to these Broncos. Somebody was like me, somebody's getting a Bronco soon and they're gonna get excited. I think I said this already, but I don't really have anything bad to say about this RDX. It could be a perfectly competent family SUV with a little bit of the sporty attributes that come with it as being an Acura. So we're gonna go back to my dad's house. We're gonna wrap this up. All right, just got back to my parents' house after my drive. There goes Pops in the RDX. Now, I said it already, I really like this car. I think this could be a good option if you don't really want to spend more to get the Germans. I mean, a used example of something like this is a 21, would be, you know, well under $50,000. I know the Germans are about 50 and up to start. But yeah, I like the sporty nature of it. I think it looks great, especially in this red color. So thanks to my mom and dad for letting me take this thing out. I've been dying to get my hands on this car. Now, if you like videos like mine, there's my dad chatting away. If you like videos like mine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at GemmyD on Cars. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one. See ya.